Are you interested in learning Emirati Arabic just like me? I am documenting my Arabic journey here on my YouTube channel as I pick new phrases, vocabularies, and words that I use in everyday life. For example, in this video, I will be sharing with you what I've learned in the past week. I've learned 20 common Emirati Arabic words that you will never miss to hear, especially here in the UAE or any other part of Arabic world. So if you're interested, join me. Let's learn together and start sounding like a locals. All right. So in my previous videos, I mentioned that I am doing a revision. So what happens is I learn first and then I come here and document my journey as I do revision. And also I thought maybe someone else out there is interested to learn this language. That's why I'm uploading these videos to help someone out there or anyone who wants to upgrade or learn something about Arabic. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. So the first word of today is hello, which is marhaban. Marhaban, that is just greetings. If you have a friend, you can just start by greeting hello, which is marhaban. Okay, another one is how are you. Kefahalik. Kefahalik. So if you have a friend today, try to greet them using this word. So kefahalik is for male, kefahalik is for female. Another word is goodbye. Goodbye, ma salama. So if you have a friend and you like to practice your Arabic words, you can just say ma salama. Another word is yes. Yes is naam. Naam. Just as simple as that. Another simple one is no, which is la. La Habibi. La. If someone is talking to you and you disagree with them, you just say la. Another interesting one is please. Min fadlik. Min fadlik. It goes together with the word excuse me. Excuse me. Law samahat. Law samahat. Like for example, if you want to tell someone, excuse me please. لو سمحت من فضلك لو سمحت من فضلك. So for example, if you're talking to a female, you say من فضلك من فضلك. Forget about separating the genders. For now, let's learn about just one gender. The rest will come as we go. So for now, let's just learn من فضلك or لو سمحت, because لو سمحت is for male, لو سمحتي is for female. So it will be confusing a little bit. I don't want to confuse myself. And I think maybe if you're new as well, you don't want to confuse yourself with all these words. Okay. So let's stick to لو سمحت and min fadlik. Another word we've already talked in the past is thank you, which is shukran. Shukran. Just like that. If someone is giving you something, you just say shukran. Okay. And then another one is welcome. If they're responding, say welcome, you just say afwan, afwan, shukran, afwan. You can just respond like that. Another one is I am sorry, which is ana asif, ana asif. There is something I've also learned while learning Arabic. You don't have to say ana asif. You can just say asif. So it's the same thing, especially if you're referring to yourself. Most of the words, if you're referring to yourself, you can say Anna and then the word, or you can just say the word directly. Let's make some few examples. Like for example, I am eating. Anna akil, or you just say akil. Or I ate. Anna akelt, or you can just say akelt. So it means the same thing. So anything that start with like for example, is it a noun or some, I don't understand. You can just put Anna. Like for example, my name is Anna Esmi, or you can just say Esmi Catherine, just like that. So it doesn't have to be Anna and then the word. You can just go directly. Like for example, I am sorry, Anna Asif, or you can just say Asif. For a female, Asifa. Another one, I don't understand. Ana la hafam. Ana la afam. We did in my previous videos negating. So if you want to say I understand, Ana afam. Ana afam. Like for example, you're going to say I don't understand what they said in the meeting. Ana la afam شو تقولون في الاجتماع. أنا لا أفهم شو تقولون في الجسم. I don't know if that is the correct one. This is just my own sentences. I'm just thinking of what I've learned and dreaming together. Let me know if that is the correct one to say. I don't understand what they said in the meeting. أنا لا أفهم شو تقول في الجسم. الجسم is meeting. شو تقول is what they said, and in the meeting. Okay, so أنا la afam, ana afam. Another one I mentioned in the past videos is what is your name? Shu esmek. Shu esmek. You can say esmek, esmuk is the same for me. Shu esmek. What is your name? Okay. Another one, where do you come from? Min when enter. Min when enter. Okay. And then I come from. Anna mean, and then mention the name of the country that you come from. For example, for me, I come from Kenya. Anna mean Kenya. Anna mean Kenya, Kenya. Anna mean Kenya. In Arabic, we say Kenya. How much is this? So let's sort that one. Become harder. Become harder. If you just want to say how much, become. Become. We did become in my previous videos. This is just like revision. Become harder. How much is this? Or become. How much? Okay. Like for example, if you're asking someone, how much is the water? Become my. Become my. Okay. And then, like for example, anything, become kubus, become kubus, or become hada hubus, become hada hubus, become hada duty. How much is this shoes? Become hada duty. Another one, I like it. Ana uhibbu. Ana uhibbu. Like for example, you can just say uhibbu or you can just say ana uhibbu. Like for example, I love and like in Emirati Arabic, it seems like they look the same because I was trying to look another word for the difference between love and like. They mean the same thing. So for example, I love you, ana ahibik. Ana ahibik. If you're talking to a male, you're talking to a female, ana ahibik. Ana ahibik, or you just say ahibik. Another interesting one is how can I help you? كيف أقدر أساعدك? كيف أقدر أساعدك? As you can see, أساعدك is me. How can I help you? Last one, I don't know. أنا لا أعرف. أنا لا أعرف. Or you can say أنا أعرف. I know. For example, الحين أنا أعرف عربي قليلا. أنا أعرف عربي قليلا. Actually, it's no longer قليلا. It's no longer small Arabic. I know a lot of Arabic. As I mentioned in my previous video, I've learned more than 300 Emirati Arabic words. So, أنا أعرف Arabic وايد. أنا أعرف Arabic وايد. So guys, I think this is the end of this video. Let me know in the comment section below if you've learned something in today's video. For me, this is just a revision and it's really interesting. I'm loving it, I'm enjoying it, and I'm learning each and every day. So let's get learning this language. It's a very beautiful language, especially if you are here in the UAE or in Arabic world. Like for example, if you go back to your home after UAE or after after working in abroad, you will be proud of yourself to learn something new. At least you'll be able to communicate in one or two words in Arabic. So let's continue learn this language, and one day, one time, we will meet and start speaking like locals. All right, especially here in Dubai. Okay, so see you in the next video. Yala, ma salama, bashufkom el video el